Are you ready to transform subscribers into buyers? Are you ready to transform subscribers into buyers? Wonder why your email list isn't bringing in the dough? What if I told you that selling is a skill that can be learned? Here are some heartwarming and actionable steps to make those subscribers excited to purchase. 1. Tell stories, not just sell. Share personal anecdotes. Connect with the emotions of your audience. Create relatable aha moments. Make them feel they're not alone on this journey. 2. Craft irresistible offers. Give value first, always. People love goodies, lead with generosity. Use urgency and limited time offers, create excitement. Who doesn't want what's hot and happening? 3. Create automated email sequences. Set up nurture emails. Build relationships while automating sales. Include personalized follow-ups. It shows you care, it sells better. 4. Spark curiosity in your subject lines. Ask thought-provoking questions. Have you ever missed a great opportunity? Be playful and bold. Igniting intrigue leads to clicks. 5. Embrace authenticity. Drop the perfectionism. People connect with real stories, struggles and successes. Show behind-the-scenes glimpses. Let them see the person behind the brand. Final thoughts. Imagine turning hesitation into confidence while watching your sales skyrocket. Ready for guidance every step of the way? Join our awesome community where I teach all these secrets. Promote your offers. Launch your digital business. Monetize your digitals quickly. Scale using membership. Try our free trial for nuBeginning Success Collaboration Membership. Loaded with $50,000 worth of resources plus personalized help. In creating your assets, the best deal in town. Sell with an army of affiliates. Reach over 200 plus countries effortlessly by selling through our affiliate program. Transform your email list from just numbers into pure revenue potential. Let's make it happen together.